Hey, my name is Zach and I'm a software engineer here at Griptape. Today I'm going to show you an overview of Griptape Cloud, highlighting some of the features that Griptape Cloud provides and the essential building blocks that you can utilize for quickly spinning up AI-driven applications. Here on the left, we're looking at the landing page you'll see when you first log into Griptape Cloud. This page provides an overview of various workflows you can accomplish on cloud, including ETL, RAG, and running custom LLM-powered agents. We'll start with data sources. This component enables you to bring your own data into cloud to ingest and transform. You can select from various supported data sources or author your own code to bring in data with structures, which we'll cover soon enough. I've already got some data sources in my account. The succeeded status indicates that the most recent data job for that source completed as expected, ingesting and storing the data vectorized in cloud. With data sources prepared, we can then configure a knowledge base resource to organize multiple data sources and make them accessible for querying by AI applications. This particular knowledge base was configured with a data source containing information from a PDF about Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and we can test this knowledge base and data source right here in the UI by asking something relevant to the contents of that PDF, in which it'll generate a response relevant to Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Things get more interesting as we move over to explore structures. Now, structures in the cloud come from the concept of the same name in the Python-based Griptape framework. You can read more about structures in the Griptape documentation, but they are effectively custom Python applications powered by LLMs. Griptape Cloud enables you to take any Griptape structure that you authored in a GitHub repo and deploy it as a hosted endpoint. We've got some samples that you can get started with, and I've already got a sample deployed in my account called Griptape-Chat Memory Agent. So this structure is configured only with my Griptape Cloud API key, as well as my OpenAI API key, which are both stored securely in the cloud as secrets. And the deployment history, as well as the run history of this structure, are available right in the UI. And this structure is configured out of the box to make use of threads, rulesets, and rules. And I'll explain what those resources are momentarily. But first, I'll show them in action with the help of the Griptape Chat application that I have pulled up on the right-hand side here. So this is a Gradio application configured to invoke a hosted Griptape Cloud structure, and it's available for use as an open source repo. I already have it configured to target my chat memory agent structure, so I'll just go ahead and send it a message here. Can you explain Retrieval-Augmented Generation to me? And there's a couple things going on here with this application. Firstly, the Gradio app is configured to invoke the structure using a thread resource, and the thread is used as a container to hold messages. So this enables the structure to make use of conversation memory, which is another topic you can read about in the documentation, but it allows structures to remember conversation across runs. So if I then follow up with what is my name, as a follow-up to the first message that I asked the structure, it should be able to retrieve that conversation memory and tell me that my name is Zach. Additionally, this structure is configured to make use of rulesets, another framework concept that you can read about, rulesets and rules. They are vital for providing guardrails for the LLMs to achieve more consistent behavior. Having these as cloud resources enables you to iterate on and reuse rules and rulesets among multiple structures or applications. I'm using this ruleset, which directs the LLM to make use of knowledge bases when applicable, to cite knowledge bases when referencing information from them, and to always mention how much they love Griptape Cloud in the response, as if that wasn't already part of the LLM's initial response. So with these cloud resources, you can spin up your own custom AI application in a matter of minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're available and active in the Griptape Discord server, so come and say hi. Thank you for watching.